The greatest lesson I've learned in life is that letting go of something or someone is the truest form of love. There's a saying that people often use, and it goes like this: if you love someone or something, let it go. And if it was truly meant to be, they will come back to you. Now, while this saying may sound contradictory or even backwards to a lot of people going through these harsh feelings or heavy emotions, it actually is the most important and truthful thing to do. Because if you truly love somebody and you truly care for them, you want the best for them. Sometimes the best for somebody is not being with you. And sometimes the best for you is not being with somebody or not having somebody. Regardless of how much you love it, regardless of how much it made your life better, sometimes you have to learn that the best thing for both parties is to let go and just detach. So if you're going through anything, just try to let go.